after a reprieve in 2024, the number of people dying of a drug overdose is rising again.
March and May had 63 drug-related deaths right here in Denver. That's the most ever that we've ever seen in Denver, which is incredibly problematic.
Lisa Raville is the director of the Harm Reduction Action Center, seeing the impact of this deadly problem firsthand.
The grief on the front lines of losing people to very preventable overdoses has been so sad and so problematic.
Last year, 563 people died of a drug-related overdose in Denver, according to preliminary city data. That's nearly 100 more deaths than in 2024. And just shy of 2023's 598 deaths, Denver's deadliest overdose year on record.
We're losing people every day, and it doesn't have to be like this. Remember, people don't have to die of preventable overdoses.
According to CDPHE and the CDC, Colorado's overdoses are climbing too. Preliminary data shows more than 1,800 people died from an overdose in 2025, up from the nearly 1,650 who died in 2024. Raville says the why is less clear. Part of it, she believes, is an unregulated drug supply and fewer people wanting to call 911 for help after a fentanyl criminalization law from 2022.
We were incredibly concerned last March and April that we were seeing multiple deaths a day. We were trying to figure out what's going on. We're no closer to really knowing.
Counties in Colorado are working to slow this deadly trend. In Arapahoe County, a harm reduction team of 5 covers a massive area, offering syringe exchanges and stocking kiosks with naloxone to help prevent overdoses.
It's all about just access, just making sure people have what they need regardless of their ability to purchase it.
In Denver, the city health department bought equipment to test drug supply.
It's taken a little over a year, but very soon we are going to be able to do on-site drug checking. So that is what the city has been able to do so far.
Right now, one thing is saving lives: naloxone. Raville passes out more than 100 kits a day.
Honestly, when I looked at that this morning, I said I need to make an order.
She says it's not enough to turn this deadly trend around.
We can do better than this. I know we can.
This November, Coloradans will vote on a ballot measure that would toughen penalties against fentanyl dealers. Advance Colorado, the conservative advocacy group that's behind the ballot measure, says this would put low-level users in court-mandated treatment and require dealers face jail time. Raville with the Harm Reduction Action Center says mandating treatment and criminalizing users hasn't saved lives before. She says this will target users and won't make Colorado any safer. Rachel Krause, 9 News.